What is poke and how you can poke someone on Facebook? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll explain you guys what poke is and how you can poke someone on Facebook. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your Facebook. Now after you open up your Facebook, simply go to the search bar and in search bar search for poke. Simply type in poke and tap on search. Now after you search for poke, you will see poke your friends and see who has poked you option. Tap on it. Now here you will notice suggested pokes. Now you can poke your friends, simply tap on poke and you have poked them. Now what does this mean? This means that you are trying to interact with your friend without sending them a message. Now whenever you want to interact with a friend but you don't know what to say or you don't know what to talk about, you can simply poke them. Now this can be a way to inform them that you are still here, you are there and you want to talk to them or something like that. Or it can even be a simple way to tease your friends or annoy them. So yeah, that is how you poke someone on Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.